Let's address that last question, actually. Peter Gibbs is here. Is there going to be more, or is it going to go?
There is more to come, say weathermen, yes, through the rest of today, Louise, and tonight as well, in fact. We've certainly had an avalanche of your pictures coming in, that's for sure, as the snow's come down. This was Streatham, near Northallerton in North Yorkshire, just a little earlier today with the snow coming down thickly. One area that still has a weather warning applying to it, as does eastern Scotland. More heavy snow showers to come here through the course of this afternoon, particularly across the Grampians, where they're coming in pretty relentlessly and drifting in the strong winds too. Plenty more snow showers as well across the northeast of England. Beginning to ease away now, though, from Lincolnshire, where we had some heavy snow earlier on in the day. Now, we have seen a little bit of snow pushing into the southeast of England. I think it's going to struggle to settle very much, perhaps over the higher ground only, and it'll tend to move away as the afternoon goes on. And across the southwest of England, it's just that little bit too warm, I think, for any snow showers. Actually, it doesn't feel that warm because we've got a brisk easterly wind blowing in, but it will keep the snow showers away. Most of Wales staying dry too, along with much of Northern Ireland. Also, eastern parts of Northern Ireland could catch one or two showers, mainly of rain or sleet on the coast, but they will turn to snow inland. But as I mentioned, there is more snow to come, particularly once again across the northeast of England through this evening and overnight, and for much of Scotland. In fact, the snow showers going right across into perhaps Clydeside from time to time, Dumfries and Galloway, and the eastern side of Northern Ireland perhaps more at risk from a few snow showers through the latter part of the night. Certainly a widespread frost here. Temperatures, though, just picking up a touch across southern parts of England, so if there is any snow lying around, it will start to melt as the night wears on. But as we go into Friday, we're not finished with the snow completely across Scotland. It eases away eventually. Then it's Northern Ireland we've got to watch out for. As this rain moves in, it will turn readily to snow for a time before turning back to rain again through the latter part of the day, and that snow eventually getting into western Scotland. England and Wales, though, a largely dry day, rain into the west later and becoming milder as winds start picking up from the south. Even through Friday night, we're not finished with that snow. This time, Highland Scotland getting a real dollop, I think, several centimetres across the Grampians, for example, before it finally pushes through. Clearer weather then moving in with scattered showers, but of rain at this time as slightly milder air starts to push in from the Atlantic. So looking ahead to the weekend, no more wintry weather to come. I think it'll be a case of sunny spells for most of us and a scattering of showers blowing in on fairly brisk winds. That snow probably will sit around across the Scottish mountains, mind you, so there'll be some to rain showers down at lower levels and some good spells of sunshine across much of the northern half of the UK. Further south, temperatures a little higher than we've seen over the last day or two, 8 or 9 degrees. So as I say, I think our wintry spell fairly short-lived.